Hey guys, it's Natalia and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I tested out this Hot Tools curling iron to create these nice beachy waves. For more experiences, reviews, and lifestyle videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss out on any future videos. So tip number one for creating beachy waves that last and hold in your hair is to not do this on hair that is freshly washed. So you know we are still in quarantine, so it was about 3 days since I actually washed my hair. So the first thing I had to do was brush and detangle my hair, and then dry shampoo came to the rescue. And I have a lot of hair, so I had to section my hair, section that section into 2 sections, and then section that section into multiple sections. So I'm just sectioning my hair so that I can get the right amount of like 1-inch hair that I need to make the waves. So I started on the left side of my hair first, and I am making these waves curl away from my face. So I left the first clip in real time so that you could actually see how I wrapped the hair around the barrel so that the curl would fall away. And then I did the same thing on the right side as I curled it so that the waves were flowing away from my face, not towards. So after I wrapped the hair around the barrel, I just held it around for about 15 to 20 seconds per curl. So yes, this was an arm workout. My arms were burning by the end of me finishing my hair. So as you can see, I did a little happy dance because I was finally at the end, at the last section. So, you know, of course I had to section my last section into 2 sections, the hair that actually just goes backwards, like on the back of my head, and then the hair that is actually going to be on the side of my head. I'm broken, I'm just split in 2. The memory of you just come running by. So finally, once all the curls were finished, I took this polymental hairspray and sprayed it all over. Then I flipped my hair upside down and kind of ran my fingers through my hair. And then when I flipped my hair back upright, I just took a brush and kind of brushed through some of the curls just so it was more of a wavy effect. everyone is staying safe and productive during this quarantine. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!